Hi friends, tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. This is a super quick and easy video today. This is for my Tracy Sunday challenge for this week. The theme is to create a card with a tag. Now, I created these little matchbook treats for Easter for my team, and I really wanted to create something else to give them, I was going to do a tag actually for that little treat holder, but I ended up making it into a really easy card. So the products that I've used is that cute crochet DSP. This is super old DSP and you may still have some in your stash. It's the Sunshine and Rainbows. And I think if I'm remembering, this is a celebration product. We're also using the, I don't even know what that scent is. And look, honestly, I created this probably a week and a half ago, and I should have written everything down, but I didn't. A lot of it is actually some older stash products, and if you've seen my previous videos, you know that I'm actually going to try and use some of my stash this year, which is super important for me. So we have a piece of basic white thick cardstock that is our card base. I'm going to emboss with that cute crochet embossing folder. I'm also using the die set that's got all the tags in it. That was an online exclusive and I believe it's still available. Highly recommend it because it's got some great little tags there that you can do for lots of different projects and cards. And I'm using that Sunshine and Rainbows DSP. I used two different sorts for my team when I created these cards. So just quickly die cut that out. I'm using Mango Melody, so this is also a retired colour. It went with that beautiful DSP, so I wanted to use that. And I still have some in my stash, and you know, I've got a stamping blend that I wanted to use that as well. So you know, even though it's no longer available, you know, you could use Daffodil Delight. There is no crushed curry in the stamping blend, but it's a great way of using what you have in your stash. So hopefully this inspires you a little bit to create some great projects with the stash that you have and continue using them. And if you would like to join in Tracy Sunday Challenge, all you need to do is create a card with a tag as on the card and take a photo of it and share it over on my business Facebook page. So we've just stamped that image with the rabbit with some Memento Tuxedo black ink, coloured it with the stamping blends, and I used Smoky Slate, Petal Pink, Pool Party and the Mango Melody, and that was a super old punch from many years ago as well. And this is also ribbon that's sitting in my stash. It's Daffodil Delight, but it worked really nicely with the card as well. So yeah, there we have our little tag. Let's work on our card front that has been embossed. I'm taking the Pool Party ink and just laying that down with the blending brushes, and we can pop that up as well. I kept it really simple because I have already created those little matchbox treats for my team members to send out for Easter, but I just wanted something a little bit extra in their little parcel. So I really hope that, well, I know that they've all enjoyed them because they've all let me know, and I know that everyone's received them as well. But yeah, so if you're after any supplies that I've maybe used that are current on this project, or if you would like any card making or scrapbooking products, you can purchase them in my online store. There is a link in the description here as well. And I hope that you will join in this week's Tracy Sunday Challenge. If you have enjoyed today's project and a video, it's a really quick one, but it's sometimes always a good thing. Please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you haven't hit subscribe, I hope that you'll do that as well. And I've stamped the inside as well as the envelope. So I'm going to bring in quickly as well, just to share with you the little matchbook treat that I created for my team as well, and very simple and easy to do as well. Alright, that's it. I hope you're enjoying your Easter. Be happy and safe, and I'll be back with another video for you really soon. Alright everyone, bye bye.